If you want to work for yourself in the UK in 2026, becoming a sole trader is honestly one of the simplest ways to start, because you do not need a full company, complicated paperwork, or a big setup to begin working legally, and a lot of freelancers and online business owners in the UK start exactly this way. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to register as a sole trader in the UK, step by step, in the easiest way possible. First, what is a sole trader? A sole trader is basically someone who works for themselves instead of as an employee. For example, freelancers, online sellers, content creators, delivery drivers, consultants, and small business owners often register as sole traders. And honestly, it's one of the most beginner-friendly business structures in the UK. Know the first step check. If you actually need to register, usually you must register as a sole trader if you earn more than the trading allowance from self-employment or business activities. And honestly, many people register early, anyway, to stay compliant. Now, the next step, go to the official HMRC registration page. This is where you register for self-assessment, because this is how sole traders report taxes in the Yukon. The page press. Start now. Now you'll either sign in or create a government gateway account. And honestly, this account is used for most UK tax services. Now after logging in HMRC, we'll ask for information like your full name, home address, date of birth, national insurance number, and the date you started working. For yourself, and honestly, make sure everything matches your official documents correctly. Now, another important thing during the process, you'll usually receive or apply for your UTR number, which stands for Unique Taxpayer Reference. This is the number used for your tax records in the UK, and honestly, you'll need this later for filing taxes. Now, after submitting the registration, HMRC usually sends confirmation by post. And depending on processing times, this can take several days or, sometimes, a couple of weeks. Now let's talk about taxes, because this is very important. As a sole trader, you are responsible for reporting your income-keeping records and submitting self-assessment tax returns. And honestly, many beginners forget this part completely. Now, another important thing, keep records of invoices, payments, expenses, and business income, because honestly, good organization makes tax season much easier later. Now let's talk about business bank accounts, because many people ask about this. As a sole trader, you can technically use a personal account, but honestly, many people prefer opening a separate business account to keep finances organized. Now, another thing beginners worry about. Do you need a business name? And honestly, not necessarily. Many sole traders simply use their real name, although you can create a business name if you want. Now, let's be honest for a second. Registering as a sole trader sounds intimidating at first. But honestly, the process is usually much simpler than people expect. Especially if you don't use the official HMRC website, prepare your information beforehand, and keep your records organized. So to wrap this up, to register as a sole trader in the UK, you basically need to register for self-assessment, create a government gateway accountanter. Your personal details, receive your UTR number, and start keeping track of your business income and expenses. Because honestly, for many freelancers and online workers in 2026, this is one of the easiest ways to officially start working for yourself.